Hi everyone. I am getting ready to do a video today, a recipe video, but I thought, oh, didn't put lipstick on yet. Oh well. But I wanted to show you what I do to get organized. I've done this before, but I'm using some different stuff now. So this is, I guess, my new and improved get organized. And these are the things I get out for weighing my ingredients. I don't measure anything anymore. Only weighing, it's so much easier. So I'm going to actually have to stop this video to flip the camera. For some reason, it won't flip in video mode. So here we are. I have gotten all my ingredients ready over there, but that's for the upcoming recipe video. This is what I do. This is all the equipment I need to get ready for measuring or weighing actually my ingredients. I have my scale. I use a bowl like this for flour. You don't have to get these exact things. I'm just saying this is what I do. This is what works for me. I bought this set of silicone measuring cups. I love them. On QVC, you don't need that many sizes, but it just happened to come in that set. I love it. I fill the big one with water. Then I can just add to the dough or add to a smaller one on the scale. So I put one smaller one on the scale, and then I pour the water in or pour the milk in or whatever it is. So I can measure oil or other liquids that are in small amounts in this or in this. I've had this for a long time, but this is now something I use sometimes. I do need to scrape out the oil. Usually it doesn't all pour in, so I have a skinny little spatula thing. And last but not least, I have my tiny little ramekins that I put on the scale for. This is for salt, for yeast, for other things that are in small amounts. So I have, these, and I use them for sugar, salt, yeast, and if there are herbs or anything else. So basically this is my organization. I have all my ingredients over there. I have my bread pan, I have my scale, and I have my weighing things. And my bread machine, or say machines, are way over there. A big problem with some kitchens, I know you don't have a lot of space, but try really hard not to fill your bread pan anywhere near your bread machine, because it is so ridiculously easy to get sidetracked and get it confused and put that's weird how the focus changes, to put your ingredients in there instead of in here. So I suggest you fill your bread pan far away, as far away as you can get from your bread machine, because I can't tell you the number of people who have poured their ingredients in the bread machine and ruined them, or almost ruined them, or had to go to drastic measures to get them all cleaned out, and it wasn't fun. Don't do it. Keep your bread machine far away, or as far away as you can possibly do it, depending on your kitchen space. And I don't have to deal with measuring cups, with measuring spoons. I just use everything for weighing. And this is my scale. I've been using it for about 3 years. I've replaced the batteries once. It stays on long enough, don't worry about that. It does turn off eventually, but it stays on long enough where if I have to go run and get a bag of flour really fast from the cupboard, if I've run out of flour in my canister and didn't plan ahead, it lasts long enough, I promise you. These also all go in the dishwasher, and it's just super easy to clean up. So there you go. That is my latest way of organizing myself before I make bread.